today I'm going to be showing you or introducing you to some essential tools in baking adventure or journey. So let's get started. First I have is a cake turning table. As you can see, it's much easier to spread the cream when you put the cake on it. So here I have a plate. You can use any ordinary plate, then put the cake on it when it's ready. So I'm just going to show you how it turns. So you just put a little push here and it starts turning. You can see. Okay, so now let's get to other baking items. So first of all, you can agree with me that whether you are starting or a baker, measuring tools can make a lot of difference in the kitchen. So let's get started with measuring tools. Here we have is a measuring cup. You can say measuring cups because there are 3 cups in it. And as you can see, this is the biggest, then the smaller, and then the smallest. And they have different measuring scales. So let's get started with this one also. It's a balance scale or measuring scale. You can use it to measure in different kinds of capacities like kilograms, grams, liter, and milliliter, etc. Now let's see. What is this? Can you tell me? Yes, it's used as like. So like I've constructed it, it looks like this. You have to level it according to your cake. So look, it will be like spreading the cream and your hand would get that much tired. So next thing is this, that my mother always afraid that I'll cut my finger or hand with it because it has sharp like strings and it's used to level cake and cut layers in between the cake. Yes, my mother is always afraid if I'm going to touch it. Don't touch, you'll cut your finger. And I was like, okay, I'll cut my finger. And here we have more spatulas that is used for spreading the cream and like smoothing it. Yeah, more of these. And now we have is more. You just have to like do that. Yeah, it's for smoothing or soothing the cream. Now we have is, you might ask, what is this? I was also shocked that, wow, they invented also this. You have to put the ganache or cream of your cake in this. And this is, you can call, what is it? I forgot the name. Guys, this is a bottle with nozzles. And you can like, those piping bags, they're like difficult to handle, like also pushing it and doing designs and like that. So it's much easier with this. You just put the nozzle, whatever type you need designing, and put the ganache in it, and there are also some measurements, and just then decorate your cake a little easier for you. Okay, next we have is the decorative thing. Now here I have is some, you can say stamps. It's like stamps. I don't know what we call in baking, but whenever I search, it's like stamps. And here you can see it's written congratulations, and it's used like you just put it on a cake and it's written congratulations, paste it on it. Yeah, it's like that. I have congratulations. What is this one? Anniversary. And this one is wishes. Wow, these are a lot. And this one is, I think, so birthday. Yeah, birthday. So this one is happy. And the last one is best. So you can say happy birthday, best wishes, or congratulations. Wow, that's good. You don't have to do it with a chopstick I'm saying. A stick or something and trace it. You can just take it, stamp it. That's good. Now moving on to the next, which I find there's a lot of things I have to describe. Let's get started with this. So I'm going to come a little closer to the camera so you can see more clear. So you can see this is heart-shaped, different types, heart-shaped, and there are many more shapes like this, flowers, different kind of flowers. You can get a closer look. These are too many, and I think so explaining all of them will just make not good. It will be a long video, and you don't want to watch a long video. Next we have is more of these stamps. Wow, we have so many stamps for the cake decoration. So these are like, you can say, for Eid. Yeah, Eid is coming, so my sister was like, I'm gonna get this whether we're making cake or not. I'm gonna get it. So there are many more. And over here we have is these nozzles. Like there are 6 nozzles, different types of designing you can do. Next we have tools. Yeah, these are, I'm going to come closer and show you. So these are different kinds of tools, and I'm not sure I know half of them, how to use half of them. So these are like 2 sets, different types. Next we have is piping bags. My mother insisted on buying this. However, we do have that bottle with a nozzle. So we also have piping bags, a lot of them. How many? 100. 100 piping bags. Wow, that's a lot. Next we have is this. I don't know what it is, but my mother explained it's for like flattening this dough. And I was like, oh, it's for flattening the dough. I thought it was like for sticking into the cake. Yeah, I didn't know what to do, and it was a little heavy, so I was like, what is this? I never had the idea that you have to just flatten the dough with it. So guys, this is the whole long video. Wow, that was a long video and a lot of explaining. I might get a sore throat after this. So guys, bye bye. See you later in the next video. So guys, these are all the things that I have shown you in this video so far. So have a closer look.
Pages family.